Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get a refund on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier Airlines if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the home, as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, where you can go and book flights. We have book flight, where you can also go and book a flight, your trips, flight status, and in the bottom right corner, we have the more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a refund on Frontier Airlines. So visit the website and log into your account, or go to, of course, your application, where we are at the moment, and click on My Trips, which is in the middle screen, as you can see here. Then, of course, you need to go and put in your confirmation code and your last name to get, of course, to the card, your ticket that we, of course, want to go and refund. Then choose the option to cancel a trip. Follow the prompts to request a refund. If you cancel within 24 hours of booking and the flight is at least 7 days away, you're eligible for a full refund. For specific inquiries, you can contact Frontier Airlines customer support at 801-401-9000. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.